going to visit a few old haunts. We're having a ride around Manchester Airport. We've parked just about a mile away from the airport, a couple of miles maybe. And you're going to head up towards the airport around the perimeter thing, whatever it is. I think there's a bit of a cycle path most of the way around, so we'll see. Here we go. Nice steady start, so I don't need any power. Gear number 5, so a little bit of a incline. I've got a couple of hills later on, so we'll save the power, but we might need it more. A few heads turning in the traffic. I don't know if it's just a camera on the stick people are looking at, if I like the funky little bike, or if you just can't believe there's a bloke this size on the bike. Anyway, so the surface is a bit better now, so gear number 7, nice and easy now. Path down there were awful, so it's a bit hard to work. We're off and moving. One place to park. Bugger's probably broken down, poor fella. So we sneak in, we might go in the airport road, see what that brings us to. Airport pub, Blind Spotters Heaven. Fantastic beer garden right onto the runway. Final approach. Best views ever. Driven up here a million times probably. Walked it a few times as well, just to have a look. This is what I wanted to see really, how the airport's changed. They were just building this car park on this road really when I stopped coming. well, just so you can see it is a shared path. They're all shared paths that I'm using. It's a big new car park there. About a tenner a minute, I bet. That was also a big problem was the charges, fuel parking on the road. Oh, where are we going here? Nowhere, clearly. Not like it's changed at all in there. Maybe it's the upstairs that's fancy. Had a look around the inside, very different, very nice. So it's a long thin room with people in suitcases, I suppose. Still the same conversations when they get off the flight. All good. Don't think I've ever come through this barrier without paying a fortune. I guess that's the new drop up there, isn't it? We're back on the perimeter road where I wanted to be. Missed the boring bit by going through the terminal. And missed that rotten bit of a road up and over the motorway. Obviously on a bridge, not over the motorway. So we're on a shared path again, and this takes us right out to the Wilmslow Road.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Miller's taxis. Those were the days. No, no, I'd love a can, but I won't drink it. Right. It's like it's something he drank yesterday. think we have to cross the road here and the path's on the other side, I believe. Do it now, then we don't get got up in the monkey process. Also, it's the end of the cycle path. There we go. We've got the control tower on the left there. We are what was quite a new petrol station in Costa there. Spent a few hours and a few quid in there. The new units at the back as well.
Times don't fly too high.
Bit of a nicer surface as well. It's too late, the damage is done. My arse is gone. There we go, to the dark, the light's on. Cool, a little bit spooky.
Be sure to keep them round in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board.
So yeah, we walked up there because there was a few dogs about there, dog walkers, people, families. It's quite a narrow, gravelly path, so we pushed up the hill and here we are, runway side. Nice path. He's not going to beat us. He might do. Back in a smooth bit of road. It's fairly quiet and safe and flat. So I'll take the helmet off because I think I need a bit of wind through my hair. Don't. It's just a bit hot. I think this helmet, as much as I love it, is probably a cold weather hat, isn't it really? There was some better ventilation in this weather, but I didn't expect it to be this warm, to be honest. I do have another, but I thought that would do. Anyway, here we are, still going.
myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Just about past the airport and actually heading back down, I think, to the main road. So put that back on down there. Very nice down this bit. So once we got away from the fence, it became a road rather than that shale, horrible stuff. It's been quite nice. Ready for a sit down and a drink. We might go back to the end of the runway, I think, sit there for a bit. So it's quite a nice spot. Nice residences down here. If you win a tenner, it'd be a nice spot to have a spot.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Will it help me time we get back on the road?
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Just a few years back, this was a main road through went out of the airport. The queues down here just every day, every night were ridiculous. So the people in the houses must have suited, they built a new road, this is closed off really. But there's a garden centre on the right there that was always busy, and now it's just derelict. So I guess what's good for the residents is it's killed the business, unfortunately. You would hope the pub has been alright, looks like it has. A couple of little businesses down here as well, but the garden centre's just gone really. Such a shame. There we go, almost back to where we started, certainly back to the main road again. We're just a little bit of a diversion back up to the bottom of the runway there for a quick drink. now we're on the home straight back to the car. I just stopped for a picture by the end of the runway, by the safety lights. Back on this marvellous bit of path. Tremendous. Slightly down going back though, makes it a bit easier. Seats in that menu are going to feel like some kind of leather masseuse chair. Even though they're not leather. There we go, job done. Thanks for watching. Roger and out.